Are you a California business owner struggling to create your required workplace violence prevention program because you just don't know enough about how violence occurs to know what works to prevent it? Then this manual is for you. California requires all employers to establish, implement, and maintain an effective workplace violence prevention program. When done right, an effective workplace violence prevention program protects you, your employees, and your bottom line from the harms of workplace violence. If you're like most business owners, you know how to run your business, but know little about violence and the ways it can impact your workplace. One significant incident of workplace violence can increase employee turnover and absenteeism rates. It can raise your liability and workers' comp insurance premiums. You can incur costly medical expenses and legal fees, and you can reduce your revenue and profit for up to 6 months following the incident. My book, The California Workplace Violence Prevention Manual, uses the knowledge I gained during 30 years of conducting investigations into violent incidents and building cases against businesses where violence occurred to help you design, implement, and maintain an effective California-compliant workplace violence prevention program that protects your employees and your bottom line. The California Workplace Prevention Manual takes you step by step through the process of creating and implementing your workplace violence prevention program, including 1. The 4 source types of workplace violence and how they impact your employee safety. 2. How to assess the specific workplace violence safety hazards your employees face. 3. How to involve your employees in creating your workplace violence prevention plan. 4. How to create an effective complaint and investigation process that instills confidence. 5. The different types of workplace violence prevention training required by California. 6. How to determine the most effective strategies to help your employees avoid physical harm from violence. 7. How to create a violent incident log, workplace violence prevention policies, and what California requires in terms of records retention for your firm. If you're ready to design, implement, and maintain an effective California workplace violence prevention program that protects your employees and your bottom line from the harm caused by workplace violence, click on the link below and buy my California Workplace Violence Prevention Manual.